The very good morning, students. This is second video of chapter 6, elasticity of demands. I have already explained the elasticity of demands. Now, in this video, we understand the types of elasticity of demands. Right? So there are three types of elasticity of demand. Number one, price elasticity of demand. Second is income elasticity of demand, and third is cross elasticity of demand. In your chapters only we will study about the price elasticity of demand, right, and measurements of price elasticity of demands. So there are three methods to measure the price elasticity of demand. Number one, percentage or flux methods. Second is total output method or expenditure method. Third is point methods. In these chapters, we understand only the percentage or proportional methods, right? The first we understand the price elasticity of demand means the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded to change in price of commodity is known as price elasticity of demands. Means the percentage changes in the quantity demanded on the basis of price, right? When the price is changes, how much percentage the quantity demanded will be changes, right? That is the depend on the price, right? Here is the inverse relationship of the price and commodity demanded, right? And second is the degree of responsiveness of demand to change in income of consumer is known as income elasticity of demand. Means when the income of consumers rise, means his demand will be, yes, his demand will rise for normal goods, and when his income is low, then his demand for inferior goods will be rise, right? So this is the income elasticity of demands. But in your chapters we only know about the price elasticity of demand, right? The percentage methods. First we understand the percentage methods or flux method for calculating price elasticity of demand. According to this method, price elasticity of demand is measured by dividing the percentage change in quantity demanded by the percentage change in price. Here is we write ED. ED here, elasticity of demand equal to change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Change in quantity demanded means the final demand quantities minus initial quantity, and percentage change in price means the final price minus initial price of the goods, right? We can write it percentage change equal to ED equal to delta Q upon Q. The delta Q here is percentage change in demanded quantity demanded of goods, and Q is delta Q upon Q. Q is initial quantity of demanded, right, upon delta P. Delta P means percentage change in quantity demanded upon P. P means percentage change in initial price, or we can say initial price or base price, right, into 100, then equal to delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. The price elasticity of demand equal to change in quantity demanded upon change in price elasticity of demand into initial or base price upon initial or base quantity, right? Through these methods we can measure the percentage change in, or we can say, elasticity of demand, right? Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.